This is problem number 8-71. Explain why I cubed equals negative I. What does I to the fourth equal? So let's look at this first part and actually just write down what we know about these i's. So we know I to the first power is the square root of negative 1. I to the second power is, if I were to square this, right, if I squared this squared and the square root sign cancel out, so that's why that's just negative 1. Okay? So I to the third is really I squared times I to the first power. Okay? So we have I squared is worth negative 1. That's what this was. And then I is just I. So this together makes negative I. Okay, so that's why that is true, based on knowing the what I to the first power is and I to the second power is. So what does I to the fourth equal, the second part of the problem? So I to the fourth, we can think of it as a couple of different ways. We can think, let's say, let's use this I cubed, and then times I. Right, those together, those exponents add up to 4, so that's why we know that that's true. So I cubed, we just found out over here, is worth negative I, and then we're just going to say it's I also. We aren't going to use the square root sign to define I, we're just going to leave it as the letter. So these two things squared, this gives me negative I squared, and then I squared, this little part right here, is worth negative 1. So I have negative times negative 1, which gives me positive 1. Okay, so really we have I to the fourth is worth positive 1. Hopefully that helps.